All right, we've got most spots are rain-free this morning. Temperatures are in the 40s to start the day. By 2 o'clock this afternoon, there will be some areas of mainly light rain around, so you'll want to take that umbrella with you with some low 50s a little bit later in the afternoon. By 9 o'clock tonight, 9 o'clock, it will be windy and cold. The cold front will have moved through. And there could be a few flurries later tonight or during the overnight period, but I wouldn't be looking for them. They'll be pretty quick. Most of us probably won't see them, and they're not expected to bring us any impacts. 44 degrees, the current temperature in Demopolis right now, where we are seeing some light rain. Most of the other rain is really occurring just south of us. Montgomery getting some pretty good heavy downpours. A little bit of light rain showing up on first warning live radar there into parts of Pickens and into Greene counties as well. As we widen out the view, you can see some of those heavier downpours off to the south. There's the front, and you can see most of the rain with it. Not terribly impressive, certainly nothing like what we had toward the end of the week last week. So we'll deal with some areas of light rain at times through the day. You'll notice on the future track as we go forward in time, we get close to lunchtime and into the early afternoon hours, and there you can see some of those showers kind of rolling on through with the actual front 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you look closely at the stream lines, those blue lines, that indicates when the front's coming through. And so I think it comes through the metro area between about probably 4 and 6 o'clock later today. The wind picks up. Cold air rushes in, and you'll notice on this forecast model, it tries to show a few flurries here and there as we get into later on tonight. But again, the northwest winds are really going to be helping to dry things out. It's just if we can get some of those low clouds that are still hanging around to maybe squeeze out a few of those flurries, but no impacts expected. I do want to show you on Thursday. Look at those numbers, you guys. We're going to start with our wind chills in the teens and maybe even single digits for a brief period of time. And then wind chills stay pretty brutal during the afternoon in the 20s through most of the afternoon, some low 30s as you go a little bit further south. Some showers Friday night, and then we get another blast of cold heading into the weekend.